Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam. How are you? Oh, sorry. You at first. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm really fine. You?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. What is this? IPA? Pronunciation of?
Alphabet.
Alphabet. Very good.
Not alphabet. This is alphabet.
Okay. It's your time.
Okay.
Say.
A, B, C, D, F. F.
D. After D.
D, E, F, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, P, U,
Next.
V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good.
The
Okay. Now circle the vowels, please.
Okay. Mother, mama, big mama.
Okay. Okay, what are they? How many vowels, Abrar?
5 types.
Okay, what are they? 5 vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. Do you know semi-vowels?
Yes.
Okay, box the semi-vowel, please. Wow. So, how many semi-vowels?
2.
Wow, what are they?
W,
W,
Y.
Yes.
Symbol বানান
Why?
সিম্বল জানতে একটু বলো
No, not necessary.
এখানে লিখবো
Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
বাই বাই আল্লাহ হাফেজ